The Pentagon has finally confirmed a mysterious test flight that stunned global analysts. And what happened in the desert sky that night may change the future of air combat forever. This new upgrade wasn't expected, wasn't announced, and wasn't supposed to be seen. Yet someone captured its shadow on radar. Before we break down the full details, hit the subscribe button, because this channel brings you the secrets the world isn't supposed to know. Today, we explore the U.S. Air Force's newest classified fighter jet upgrade, a system so advanced that even rival nations are scrambling to understand what just happened. The story begins when U.S. military observers detected a strange radar spike over a restricted test range in Nevada. The object moved faster than any known fighter jet, yet remained nearly invisible to tracking systems. Analysts later discovered that the signature closely matched experimental stealth capabilities previously hinted at, but never confirmed. The moment the radar anomaly appeared, multiple satellites attempted to lock on, but failed. Whatever the jet was using for concealment seemed to bend the rules of modern detection. This unexpected radar event triggered speculation that the Air Force had quietly tested a major hidden upgrade. Witnesses described the aircraft as having an unusual silhouette, almost edgeless, as if the entire body was shaped to absorb electromagnetic waves. Traditional fighters rely on angular stealth designs, but this new jet appeared smoother and more fluid, suggesting an advanced generation of stealth geometry. Engineers believe the Air Force may be using adaptive skin technology, panels that reshape airflow in real time. If true, this single upgrade would make the aircraft nearly impossible to track or target. Rivals like China and Russia have nothing comparable in service, giving the U.S. a decisive and unexpected leap ahead. Another shocking detail surfaced when thermal satellites reported unusually low heat output from the aircraft. This means the jet might be running on a new hybrid power system designed to reduce infrared visibility. Some experts believe we are looking at a prototype engine capable of switching modes in flight, normal combustion for speed, and a cooler cycle for stealth infiltration. If accurate, this breakthrough would allow the jet to appear cold to heat-seeking missiles, making it nearly untouchable in contested airspace. This kind of power management is something the Pentagon has kept hidden for years. Sources claim the jet performed a weapons bay test mid-flight, but what it deployed wasn't a missile, it was a drone. Not an ordinary drone, but a mini autonomous wingman capable of supporting the main aircraft with electronic warfare and target scanning. The Air Force has long hinted at a loyal wingman program, but this appears to be far more advanced. Imagine a fighter launching multiple mini-drones that jam enemy radars, track incoming threats, or even swarm hostile aircraft. With this upgrade, the U.S. could operate an entire micro-air force from a single stealth jet. Moments after the drone test, the aircraft performed something even more shocking. It seemed to vanish. Radar screens showed a sudden drop in signal, as if the jet dissolved into the sky. Analysts believe the aircraft activated an advanced cloaking protocol using electronic scattering, redirecting radar energy to create a ghost signature. This is not science fiction. It's built on real electromagnetic warfare principles. The fact that the jet disappeared so completely suggests the Air Force is now operating a stealth system generations ahead of current technology, possibly one that rivals cannot detect at all. The test continued with a maneuver that defied expectations. High-speed tracking cameras recorded the jet making a near 90-degree lateral turn without losing stability or altitude. That shouldn't be possible with conventional aerodynamics. Experts think the aircraft may use thrust vectoring nozzles combined with AI-assisted flight control to perform such movements. If confirmed, the jet could outmaneuver any fighter in the world, including China's J-20 or Russia's Su-57. This single upgrade alone would redefine dogfighting, allowing the U.S. to dominate any close combat scenario with unmatched precision and agility. Throughout the entire flight, no radio transmissions were picked up. Analysts believe the aircraft used quantum-encrypted communication, a system impossible to intercept or jam. This tech has been rumored for years, but seeing it used in a real test changes everything. Secure communication is the backbone of modern warfare. If the U.S. truly mastered quantum-level messaging, rivals won't be able to track, decode, or disrupt mission data. This means the new jet can operate deep inside enemy airspace while remaining fully linked to command centers without ever revealing its location. Within hours of the test, both China and Russia increased surveillance around their borders, suggesting they detected unusual activity. Intelligence reports indicate Chinese analysts attempted to model the radar signature, but failed to match it with any known aircraft. Russia allegedly activated long-range tracking radars in Siberia, hinting at fear of a new American advantage. Both nations rely heavily on air superiority projections, so a breakthrough like this could shift global power balance. The secrecy surrounding the upgrade only increases the uncertainty, creating pressure on adversaries who lack equivalent technology. If the details of this mysterious test are accurate, the U.S. Air Force may have just introduced the most advanced combat aircraft in modern history. A jet that can disappear, outmaneuver rivals, deploy autonomous drones, communicate through unbreakable channels, and evade nearly all detection systems. This upgrade wasn't expected, but it has already changed the world's understanding of air power. As more tests take place, we may finally learn the full capabilities of this secret program. Until then, stay subscribed, because the next reveal could be even more shocking than this one.